Escape to the heart of the South Pacific, where the sands are as warm as the smiles of the locals. Samoa, an island nation blessed with pristine beaches and a tapestry of culture, awaits couples seeking a romantic retreat. Timing is everything. For sun-kissed adventures, the dry season from May to October offers perfect conditions. But for those who favor value over peak weather, the wet season from November to April brings affordability, despite its tropical showers. Your sanctuary in Samoa can range from the lap of luxury at resorts like Sinalei Reef Resort and Spa to the authentic charm of a traditional fail at Viola Beach Fails. Whether it's opulence or a budget-friendly haven, Samoa caters to every couple's dream. Dive into the Tusua Ocean Trench's azure embrace or glide down the Papasia sliding rocks. For a touch of culture, the Samoa Cultural Village offers a window into the soul of the islands. And for the trailblazers, paths like the Mount Vea Trail promise natural wonders at every turn. Feast on the flavors of love with dishes like oka, a refreshing raw fish salad, or the hearty palusami. Samoa's culinary landscape is a banquet of tradition and taste, perfect for a dinner under the stars. Immerse yourselves in the vibrant tapestry of Samoan culture. A Fiafia night is not just an event. It's a celebration of life, love, and heritage. Engage with the community and let the spirit of Samoa enrich your hearts. In Samoa, romance is more than a getaway. It's an experience woven into every sunset, every smile, every shared moment. Follow these steps and your journey will be as unforgettable as the islands themselves. Embrace the adventure, the serenity, and the connection that only Samoa can offer. Book with a Samoa specialist at Far and Away Adventures.